Hey, what's up? This is Chris on the longest way. Trying to walk back from China to my home in Germany on foot. And yeah, today is gonna be the rainy way, what it looks like. It's September 18th, 2018. I just started walking from that hotel there. You can see, I think, the Ferris wheel. Can you see it there in the distance? There. And you can see the clouds. We are under a rain cloud. So I put on the rain cover and I'm gonna use some plastic bags to cover the cameras and everything. And well, what can we do? We're just gonna continue walking and hope that the cloud ends there and doesn't come in our direction. It looks like the rain is taking a little break here, so that's nice. I still got the rain covers on, still wearing my jacket. It's a little bit cold. And the rain clouds are still big and fat and black, and they're just waiting, I think, waiting for the right time to come down, dumping their rain on me. Well, I hope not. What is interesting though is I'm happy. It's not easy walking. It goes up and down, and I've yet to make the decision of where to go after tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm gonna rest, but after that I need to make a decision. Do I go straight? Do I go to the left? Do I go the hard way? Do I go the easy way? Do I go the beautiful way? Do I go the quote-unquote boring way? But I'm happy. I'm happy about the weather. It's weird. It's not something I look forward to usually, but I think it's because it feels like the first day of fall. The land is yellow, the clouds are dark, and it's a little bit cold. And I have more clothes on than usual, you know, wearing my jacket, and I have the hood of the jacket on top of my head. Let me see if I can show you here. There. And I don't know, I like it. It's like I have my own little space here inside my clothes. I'm probably gonna be bitching about it later when it gets into lots of rain or then winter, but now, I don't know, this day is good. I enjoy having this little cocoon around me, this cocoon of clothes. And sometimes I could hear the rain, you know, on the hat, on the hood. And at other times I'm listening to a podcast, Malcolm Gladwell. It's a very good podcast. And I'm happy. And I think sometimes I don't want to admit it because I love the sun so much, and I love the sea and the beach and all those things. But really, I'm still a child of the North. I like this shit. I think I'm gonna pop in some Coratelli and then waltz down there. down there is the place with the sheep. Wait, there. And then the road made these slopes and came up here past the construction site and sort of sliding past the rain clouds here. And it's not raining. And now we're up here. And it was sort of ball breaking. You can see how slow the truck goes. That's how you can tell the seriousness of the climb here. It's when they go slow up and slow down. But I'm in a good mood. It's a good day. I wanted something fancy, something different. So I bought a Bounty yesterday. And you know how Bounties are really not that tasty, but I wanted something, I don't know, exotic, something marvelous. So I still got half a Bounty, and I'm gonna eat that Bounty once we get up there. And once it goes flat or down again. Yeah, today is a good day. It's about 6 p.m. and I got about 6 kilometers left to go. And I ate a bunch of potato chips. And I've been looking forward to those potato chips for a long time, for like 4 or 5 days. I bought the bag, barbecue flavored potato chips. And I don't know, I'd been waiting for the right time. One time in a little village, a village boy wanted to have them. And I was like, no man, these are mine. Alex Jones voice, mine. So today I ate them somewhere up there. And it was nice, but ever since I've been having this salty, kind of pricklish flavor on my lips, and I don't like it, and I can't get it to go away. Incidentally, I've come to this place here, or I'm walking past this place here. What looks to be a winery, is that what you call it? A place that makes wine, or rather a place that used to make wine. It's just a ruin now. If you look in there, places like these are all over the former Soviet Union. And each and every one of these places tells a story of unhappy people. People who used to have livelihoods and secure jobs and nothing to worry about, and paid vacations and a little bit of money. Now, you couldn't buy much with the money because there wasn't much available, and life was generally pretty modest, if not to say shitty. But it was equally shitty for everyone, or for most people. There was always the elites. The Donald Trumps of the Soviet Union, I guess. But yeah, places like these shutting down means a bunch of people not having work and probably being too old or too unqualified or too unmotivated or otherwise not able to find proper work. And those are the people, when you talk to them, they're like, no man, the USSR was the best. Those were the days. And I think part of it is probably also just nostalgia for their youth, which everybody sort of gets after, I don't know, turning 30 or 35 or whatever. I got it for the freaking 90s. But yeah, in this case, every sort of big change brings pain. And there was a lot of pain when the Soviet Union went away until now. And I think it's for the best. I think it's better. But I think it's dangerous to ignore the pain. And you know, some people in Baku, they are really rich. I see people drive on these roads with Hummers, with Porsches, with huge new Benzes. But for most people, it's sort of just scraping by and thinking of the days when this place here used to produce wine, I guess. And now it doesn't. And here's something else that changed after the fall of the Soviet Union. Religion came back. And I don't think it had really left. The Soviets had closed mosques, closed religious schools, transformed them into all kinds of buildings for public purposes. And they had tried to form a cult, an ideological cult to supplant religion. But yeah, when it fell, religion became opulent, flashy, and big again, at least in some parts. This year it's in Imamzadeh, so there should be, if I'm not mistaken, it should be a mausoleum for somebody who is related to Muhammad the Prophet. But I'm not really very sure about it. I didn't go in, I'm too tired. And it looks really new. So I don't know. I'm not totally interested. I wonder who paid for it though. Some of them in Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, they get paid for by either the Turkish government or the Saudi government. Here it could be Iran, could be local donors, could be other people. Anyway, religion is back. I got about 2 kilometers to go. It's all uphill here in the little town of, man, I forgot the name. I'm so tired. Anyway, if you like the video, even though I don't know where I am, I don't know the name, check out the blog. It's thelongestway.com. There's no advertisements on there, nothing. You can just read it and look at photos and maps. Or you can share the video. Just show it to somebody, I don't know, somebody who you think should see it.